What we're going to be looking at today is how to do invoice validation. So what an invoice validation is to make sure that it's a ZRA invoice, that it's actually registered on the ESD software. So you would do this normally on an invoice you receive from a supplier. So as you can see, you click on Finance, Validate Invoice. Then you will find on the invoice there will be an invoice code. So you type in the invoice code over here. So just a few seconds, there's the invoice code, and then you type in the invoice number. Okay, and once that is typed in, you type in the amount, the inclusive amount of the invoice. Okay, and once that is typed in, you click verify. And as you see, it verifies it and it brings you the invoice from the ESD system.